Welcome back to Instabills events. We had over 400% breakout in the Instabills room today with ISPO. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for to have a continuation, exactly which levels we're looking to see if we can continue on past to have a continuation, but also exactly what gave us confirmation on this major breakout today. And all I ask in return is you smash that like button. And if you happen to be interested in major breakouts throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over ISPO with you guys here on the 5-minute chart so you guys can see exactly how this one broke out today and what exactly could have gave us confirmation on a continuation from here. Again, we did mention them at $20.27 today, jumping up over $100 on the day, over 400% on that breakout. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you'll never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on ISPO, again, they were halted at $20.27, and we were looking to see if we can continue here. As you guys can see exactly here at $20.27, we had this increase in volume, and we were looking to see if we can continue on with momentum. As you guys can see here on our MACD, again, this is what gave us confirmation on this continuation. We continue to increase in buy pressure, continue to break out, and we broke all the way up to $57. And as you guys can see, we had a large pullback, and we were looking to see if we can continue. And if we were watching our 20-day moving average still over our 50, and the fact that we were respecting and continuing to respect the 20-day moving average, we would have been still looking at this as a continuation. And as you guys can see, sure enough, as we were testing and continuing to respect our 20-day moving average, we continued to get that increase in buy pressure and getting our EMA lines to cross back over, showing us that confirmation on more bullish momentum. And we had that major breakout all the way up to $100 today. And as you guys can see, now we are dropping below our 20-day moving average, looking to see if we can respect it going to tomorrow. But again, we have been respecting it for quite a while. In my opinion, we are due for a cool down, of course, after a major breakout over 400% today. So I definitely would be careful. But if we do continue, I would be looking for that increase in buy pressure from here. If we are going to break over $100 and continue on with that strong move, then I would be looking for a large increase in buy pressure. As you guys can see, we do have a large decrease in sell pressure as the market was continuing on down, giving us an extra amount of volume here. But however, I definitely would be careful. Making sure we get a large amount of increase in buy pressure would be very key. We do have our EMA lines crossing back over just like we did midday for a possible continuation. So that is why I would say keep an eye on ISPO. We did continue on up because the market had a large amount of pressure to the downside. So if we do have a larger amount of sell pressure to the downside in the market, which I am going to go over the market after the video after this, so you guys can see what might give us that large move to the downside and could have ISPO continue. So we'll be watching for the market to have a major move down. And again, I went over exactly what that major move will look like. But again, if we don't get that major move down in the market, then in my opinion, we could cool down in the market, which could lose more volume here on ISPO. And as you guys can see, we have a smaller amount of buy pressure. So I definitely would be careful making sure we do get a large amount of increase in buy pressure. We had, again, this continuation on buy pressure. We didn't break above our previous buy pressure point, but we did respect the 20-day moving average as we got this increase in buy pressure. As you guys can see, we're not respecting the 20-day moving average just like we did previously. But if we do continue to consolidate on top of it, then we could continue on up again. If we get that major move down in the market, we will keep ISPO on the watch. There's no guarantee here that we're going to continue, but I would say that would be exactly what we're looking for to have this major continuation. And again, making sure we do justify every one of our breakouts is extremely key. If you guys do want to see all of these breakouts throughout the day, again, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss breakout alert. Again, all of you instabills that have been coming over and supporting this channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Hope you guys did enjoy this amazing breakout. This was such an amazing breakout today. I caught ISPO. I got puts on the market today because, again, Russia added 7,000 troops. It was pretty obvious that we were going to continue on down, leading into bullard in the middle of the day, in my opinion. I caught even more on the puts for sure on the market. And again, with that said, I appreciate every one of you instabills that have been coming over and supporting the channel every single day. Much love to every one of you guys. If you guys do like this video, it does help with refinement, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.